What's Clickmagick? Clickmagick is a hyperlink monitoring software that facilitates you without difficulty and accurately tune your online and offline conversions. It helps you to take a look at and optimize hyperlinks inside your advertising campaigns, along with income funnels, social media, blogs, emails, commercials, and more. Clickmagick gives effective monitoring functions like pass tool monitoring, offline income monitoring, breakup checking out, and many more. In easy phrases, Clickmagick is a click-on monitoring device that facilitates you tune every click on that ends in your internet site from an outside source. Why ought to every person use this amazing monitoring software? Right here are a number of the effective functions supplied through Clickmagick. 1. Tune your whole internet site income funnel. Use monitoring hyperlinks or your very own URLs. Pass tool monitoring. 3. Offline income monitoring. 4. Limitless custom monitoring domains. 5. Real-time stats and reports. 6. Superior geo-focused on and mobile optimization. 7. Computerized breakup checking out. 8. Click on fraud tracking and site visitors. Great analysis. 9. Upload retargeting pixels to any hyperlink. 10. Dynamic associate hyperlinks. 11. Google Analytics compatible. 12. Import or export your statistics and stats. And lots of more. Who's Clickmagick for? Clickmagick is for the following. 1. Online organizations replacing web site visitors. Bloggers trying to verify the great in their site visitors sources. 3. Associate entrepreneurs aiming to high changing income funnels, touchdown pages, and email campaigns. 4. People concerned in SEO, advertising, content material advertising, email advertising, and CRM advertising. 5. Advertising agencies. Clickmagick is one of the first-class visitor monitoring software, as it now no longer most effective tracks your internet site hyperlinks, however additionally tracks your associate hyperlinks. Additionally, it's far referred to as an extremely good associate device. Except Clickmagick mechanically can tune shorter associate hyperlinks as well. Consequently, you could be capable of get a click on analytics file of each hyperlink so that you can control income and target clients accordingly. Considering the fact that 2014 over 122,000 entrepreneurs and small organizations have used Clickmagick to tune and enhance their online advertising. To join the unfastened trial of Clickmagick for 14 days and begin the usage of Clickmagick now, please click on the hyperlink in description below. Thanks.